opening with a joke. Why don't we ever see elephants hiding in trees? Because they're really good at it. Now that we've established why we're not in the safari business, we're moving on to something that's a bit more up our alley. Start with a light-hearted tone. Welcome to the world where drones are the new paparazzi, capturing everything from your epic poolside cannonballs to that time you tripped over your own shoelaces. Yes, we've all been there, haven't we? I'm talking about those moments when gravity becomes your worst enemy and you're just hoping no one saw. Well, guess what? The drone did. Imagine a world where drones have replaced all our dogs. Fido is now Flydo, and instead of fetching your newspaper, he's off capturing a 360-degree view of the neighborhood. Or maybe he's following you around the house, waiting for that perfect moment when you walk into a door, just to upload it on DroneTube and get 1 million views overnight. Oh, the fame. Remember that time when you thought you were alone in your backyard, practicing your secret ninja moves, only to have a drone zoom by, capturing your every move? The next day, you're a viral sensation, with people around the world trying to imitate your drunken flamingo stance. And let's not forget the time you decided to eat a whole pizza by yourself on the roof. Who knew drones could be such foodies? Or how about when you were peacefully sunbathing on your deck, only to be rudely interrupted by a drone delivering your neighbor's sushi order? You're just about to reach for your towel when, whoosh, there goes your dignity, whisked away by a drone with a camera and a mission. Recap the funniest moments. In this glorious age of technology, drones have given us some of the funniest, most unexpected moments. From the ninja in training to the pizza on the roof guy, and our personal favorite, the sushi-interrupted sunbather, every day is a surprise. It's a wild, wild world out there, folks, and the drones are here to make sure we never forget it. So, next time you think you're alone, think again. There's probably a drone nearby, waiting to catch you in your next epic fail or unexpected moment of genius. But don't worry, it's all in good fun. After all, who doesn't love a good laugh at their own expense? Now go out there and give those drones something to talk about, closing with a joke. And remember, if you ever see an elephant in a tree, make sure your drone is ready to capture it. After all, that's one sight we'd all love to see.